Hi everyone! Today I want to unbox with you by Rene of Paris, Dazzling Waves in the gorgeous color marble brown. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is Monza Hi by Ellen Wille in the color toffee brown shaded. I have an unboxing of this one as well with a little mini review, so if you're interested, it is on my YouTube channel. Both these wigs were provided to me on loan from Adorance Trenco. So they are available there as well. When you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off. I will put the link down below. So let's unbox this one. Not a new style, but also pretty. It's a newer style, but it's not new. Look how pretty. Love this color, marble brown. Probably one of my favorite Rene of Paris net colors. Comes with a net as we are used to. Sits on tissue paper to protect the lace front. And whilst we're here, let's look at the cap construction. So we have an extended lace front, which means it runs into the ear tabs. So it gives you that really natural line on the side. You have a fairly wide monofilament part. So there is a bit of parting option here to make it look like hairs growing straight out of your scalp. Open wefts sides and back, extended velvet nape with brassed up like adjusters. Permatease wise, can't feel any. But look at these waves. This is such a great piece for any occasion, I think. So let me pop it on. Wow, look at this lace front. That looks amazing. Right. Let me just finger comb it through rather than using a comb. So I don't want to disturb those waves too much because I want to give you an idea what it looks like straight out of the box. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. So let me show you from all sides. So let's look at the mono part. So bear in mind that I have dark hair underneath it, and obviously dark will always absorb the light, but you can still see a parting here. So if you have no hair underneath it, it will look really natural. And as I shown you, that lace front is amazing. So these are heat-friendly fibers. So if you don't like the wave pattern or you just fancy a change, easy to do with heat tools. Just adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines in terms of what heat you need. This is absolutely adorable. In this color and everything, this is just perfection. Fit straight out of the box, 21.5 inch circumference. And this is on the furthest setting. It fits me all right. I probably would want to tighten it a little bit. There is some gapping here at the back. So I do think this is a true average size. There is stretch in this cap. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, I think that would fit you. You would just have more gapping at the back here. And there is quite a lot of room to tighten. This is perfection. In terms of permatease, there is none that I can feel, at least nothing big and pillowy at all. There's just that little bit of tease that you have around the open wefts just to disguise them. That's nothing unusual, but this is really natural. Hopefully you can see this sits really close to my head, gives it that really natural look. Tell me what you think, and as I said, the link is down below in the description box. And when you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.